The School of Emerging Media and Technology is a unique school at Kent State because we're an interdisciplinary unit. Students in our program are getting perspectives from areas like media and journalism, computer science, aeronautics and engineering, educational technology, and more.
I want to work with the online databases of libraries, so how EMAT works with the focus on user design and coding and databases and web stuff. That's really given me a leg up on all the things that I need to know to do that.
Being able to work with a couple of my professors that have worked in the industry, especially with application deployment and big data, has really helped my understanding improve of the proper way to push an application into production.
So in Data and Emerging Media and Technology, we had an alumnus of Kent State come in who is currently a senior researcher at Spotify. Actually asked students to help solve a problem at Spotify.
But it was great to work with the data and with the developers over at Spotify.
When we heard back that we were really building a program that was benefiting what they need and what they were looking for in future employees, that really told us that we were on the right track.
Our undergraduate program has sort of 3 areas of core skills that we provide to our students. The first is sound technology skills in programming and prototyping and understanding human-computer interaction. The second is design skills, and the third is understanding how interdisciplinary technology project management teams work. We are continually in touch with large employers in the area who work with our students on internships and give them jobs at the end of our program, and we consistently get feedback that the skills that our students come into their organizations with, as well as the projects that our students are producing, are just what they're looking for.
I have an internship with Nationwide, their headquarters in Columbus, and through that internship I'm using some of the technologies that I've learned in both EMAT and computer science classes, and also using things like Agile and Scrum methodologies to do software development and produce a product.
I recently got a job offer from a development firm called Skycatch Fire. I think the biggest thing that has helped me through all of these experiences at Kent is being able to walk into this job knowing how to work on a development team.
Students coming out of this program have a strong understanding of how to be part of an important team, how to be a contributor to an important team, how to listen to other people on the team who have different perspectives and responsibilities, and how to play a role in that team of bringing the user's perspective in an understanding of how the technology is being developed into a new design or an improved design.
Being exposed to different technologies in every class that I've taken will definitely help solidify how I learn and different ways that I can learn new technologies going forward to be able to work on any website or any application that I encounter.